Hello guys, this is Abhay. Welcome to my channel that is Katia Expert. So this is very first video in this Katia platform as well as the YouTube platform also. So today we are going to discuss about the introduction of this Katia. Main agenda topics which we will discuss in this video is introduction of Katia, where it is used, what are the application of this Katia, workbenches that are most of the times used in the automotive industry design point of view are the sketcher workbench, part design workbench, drafting workbench, and the assembly design workbench, and also the wireframe and generative shape design workbench. So there are n numbers of workbenches that are integrated in the CATIA software, but these five workbenches are used most of the times in the automotive industry. So no need to worry about that. We will check those workbenches directly on the software in the next session. So basically what is CATIA? Long form of this CATIA software is computer aided three-dimensional interactive application. So basically it started in 1977 by French aircraft manufacturer named as Aviance Marshal Dassault, and they also provide the 3D surface modeling and NC functions. And on those days they developed the Mirage fighter jet. And nowadays this Aviance Marshal Dassault system and the company is named as Dassault system. So nowadays this CATIA software former company name is Dassault system. So overall this CATIA software is the computer aided design software package. Also it supports in the computer aided engineering and the computer aided manufacturing. And the main computer softwares for this CATIA is SolidWorks and the Creo software. So basically where it is used and what are the application for this CATIA software is most of the times basically it is used in the automotive industry for designing two-wheeler to three-wheeler, four-wheeler. Also it is used in the commercial vehicles. And in this automotive industry this software is used as a basic point of view. Again this software is used in the aerospace industry and manufacturing industry. Also this software is used in the electrical and electronics industry. So indoor application for this software in the automotive industry like part designing, detail design, product design, and the vehicle integration. Also the softwares which will help in the wiring harness, DMA analysis while in the translation and rotor analysis. Then again basically the softwares helps in the automotive industry in the C analysis and the CAM analysis. Then move toward next slide, that is what are the workbenches that are used in this. Here you can see this sketcher workbench. Draw and design whatever you want and whatever your requirement. As per your requirement you can draw this sketch in this sketcher workbench. After that you can drag it this sketcher sketch in this part design. Also you can give these thicknesses, dress up pictures in this part design. So after that, to filling the communication gap between the design engineer and manufacturing engineer, the drafting and detailing sheets are makes important role. So in that sheet, you can give the dimension of all this part, and you can give all the views in this sheet. Also, you can mention what are the tolerances, what are the fits, what are its surface symbols, roughness symbols. Also, you can mention the BOM, that is bill of material. So next workbench is wireframe and the surfacing workbench. So most of the times this workbench is used in this critical surfaces. If you need to create surfaces that are which is or that are the more critical point of view, so this softwares and this software workbench which helps lots of time. So next is assembly design. So all the parts which you will design in this previous workbenches that are gathered to each other to become a one single product. So in that assembly, you can assemble all those parts and you can make a single products by using this assembly design workbench. So these are the workbenches most of the times used in the automotive industry. So we will discuss all these workbenches directly on the software. So thank you so much. If you are new in this channel, so please like and subscribe if you are like this video.